So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can enable the two-step authentication security in your LinkedIn account. If you don't know, two-step authentication is a very convenient method to add a multiple layer of security in your accounts. It may be on the Instagram or some other platform as well. For this video I'm going to show you how you can add the two-step authentication on your LinkedIn account. I am doing this process on the web browser, LinkedIn. You can do the same process on smartphone application of LinkedIn as well. All you need to do is to just simply log into your LinkedIn account in either in your smartphone or the LinkedIn web on PC. For example, if I open the LinkedIn web on my PC and log into my LinkedIn account, you can see I'm in my LinkedIn. Now in order to enable the two-step authentication, first you have to go to the option of your profile in the top window. When you click there, you can see a small window will pop right in front of you, where you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. When you are in the settings, you will see you at the left window you'll see an option of sign in and security. Just simply click on this option, and when you click there, you can see all your account access option will available right in front of you, where at the most below of the list you'll see two-step authentication. When you click there, you can see currently it is off. Now in order to enable the two-step authentication, just simply click on the button of setup, and there you'll see the verification method by which you want to enable the two-step authentication. Either it could be Authenticator app or just simply phone number. I'll recommend you to choose a phone number option. When you click there, you can see when you select the option of authentication, it will ask you for the password, and when you are done with the process, you have enabled the two-step authentication in your LinkedIn account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.